Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our new Rovo agent for Document Manager for Confluence, DMC. This agent is designed to make installing and configuring DMC easy, step-by-step, and error-free, even for users who are not familiar with the plugin. The agent guides you through the entire process. From installing the DMC plugin on your Confluence instance, to creating a new space, and configuring all the essential settings. It explains how to set up the Kamala workflow, define the publication status, select the publication space, configure naming rules, set the minimum depth, choose the distribution group, and manage versioning. One of the most powerful features of this agent is that it gives clear, contextual guidance. It explains technical concepts, provides examples, and anticipates common mistakes. For instance, when creating naming rules, the agent will show how to generate a unique identifier for each page, how it will be displayed as a label, and how to customize its elements and order to match your organization's needs. It also helps ensure best practices are followed, like using an empty space for publication, keeping your drafts organized, and making sure published content is distributed to the right groups. In short, this agent acts as your personal assistant for DMC, helping every team member set up and configure the plugin correctly, save time, reduce errors, and maintain a consistent and organized Confluence environment. With this agent, onboarding and managing DMC has never been easier. You can interact with it whenever you need step-by-step guidance, and it will make sure your configuration is complete, correct, and aligned with best practices.